Good evening, good evening. God bless you, God bless you. Welcome to Spilling the Tea at 10 on Word at Night. All right, sometimes we just got to give God a hand clap of praise that we made it. Another week, huh? Another week. Listen, we've been talking about gossip all week, and we do things a little different on Fridays. We may read a passage from a book, scripts from a play or a movie, but looking at different perspectives, lyrics from a song. Roy will take commentary and take control of the commentary, and he'll write scriptures and or sometimes there's jokes, and sometimes a song, and it's just amazing how we see different views on the words that we've been in the Bible with all week long. But this word, gossip, man, it's been tearing me up all week. Okay, but I found lyrics to a song pertaining to gossip, but it's called something else in the song. Marvin Gaye says, whoa, I heard it through the grapevine. All right, let's get some of these lyrics going on. It says, ooh, I bet you wondering how I knew about your plans to make me blue. With some other guy you knew before. Between the two of us guys, you know I love you more. It took me by surprise, I must say, when I found out yesterday. Don't you know I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine. Oh, I'm about to lose my mind. Honey, yeah. And in the background, heard it through the grapevine, not much longer would you be my baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know a man ain't supposed to cry, but these tears I can't hold inside. Losing you would end my life, you see, 'cause you mean that much to me. You could have told me yourself that you love someone else. Don't you know I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine. And I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, yeah, heard it through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be my baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. People say, believe half of what you see and none of what you hear. But I can't help being confused. If it's true, please tell me, dear. Do you plan to let me go for the other guy you loved before? Don't you know I've heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Baby, I heard it through the grapevine. Woo, and I'm about to lose my mind. Honey, yeah, heard it through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be my baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now, man, how would we feel about that gossip getting to us before the truth ever came out? Wow. So, I thought you would enjoy that. All right, y'all. Again, Roy, do what you do. You know I love you. All right. You guys have a fantastic weekend. I hope and pray that if you have time, if you're in the city of Antioch, stop by 611 West Medill. Oh, that is so wrong. That's where we started. 611 West 9th Street in Antioch, California. Y'all stop by. We will be starting at 9 o'clock, our service. YPC, Young People's Chat, is at 10. Now you know I'm tired. YPC starts at 8:30. The service starts at 9 in the morning, a.m. All right, I got it together. Nope, there's nothing in my tea but tea. Just a little tired. That's all. All right, I love you. If I don't see you on Sunday, then I hope to see you right back here on Spilling the Tea at 10 on Monday night. Have a great weekend.